Hi, welcome to Alpha Motors here in Wigan. My name's Dominic. Today I'm excited to be showing you around this lovely 2021 21 plate VW Transporter Highline van. Now, Highline gets you the full colour-coded body kit, nice sporty kit on this one. We've got some lovely additions on this one as well. So we've got the side tubes, we've got the upgrade alloy wheels. When you look at it, it's a very impressive looking vehicle. Now this is a DSG, so automatic, 150 brake horsepower. We've got front and rear parking sensors, we've got reversing camera on this one as well. We're riding on these lovely 20-inch multi-spoke alloy wheels, the sort of classic VW style wheels. We've got side entry on the passenger side, in the rear, fully ply lined. We've got the factory metal bulkhead, we've got spot lamps in the roof there. All the ply lining is in fantastic order, it's very, very nice. Another nice feature, obviously you can get these VWs in a couple different configurations. This is the big singular opening top, so ideal if you're working out in the elements. Obviously you can get under here, keeps you out of the rain. Most of these vehicles do come with the twin opening doors, so it's a nice little feature. But as you can tell, very, very nice order. It's never been closed on anything. Very nice thing. Bodywork, paintwork, you can tell it's been well cared for. Truly tidy van. Then inside we've got these nice sort of leather seat covers on there as well. Gives it this nice pattern. We've got diamond stitching with a white contrasting stitch. It just gives you an idea of what the previous keeper was like. Fastidious keeper, keeping the seats nice and clean. Jumping inside, steering wheel's in nice order. It's not been smoked in. Doesn't smell of any sort of pets. We've not got plaster all over. Starting the vehicle up, we've got both keys with it. We've got automatic lights, traction control, leather, multifunction steering wheel. So on there is our cruise control. We've got volume controls, voice command, all your volume and media controls for the display up ahead. System assist also. We've got, as we're doing the video today, the vehicle's only covered 39,737 miles, which is absolutely nothing to one of these. We've got a 12 volt power outlet in the top there, two USB type C's, another 12 volt power outlet. Coming through to the center screen, we've got Android Auto, Apple CarPlay and Mirror Link, so all connectivity through your phone. Radio is a full DAB, so we've got all the lovely extended channels. Media, clicking through to menu, you'll find the full settings there. So sound, settings, information, connects, app, apps, voice command, that's all on there. Climate control with air conditioning. Traction control was on the other side. We've got parking sensors, we've got on and off there. As you can tell, park control, flicking into reverse, the camera pops up like so. But a lovely, lovely thing. Drives absolutely superb. DSG, one of the smoothest gearboxes out there. Nice 150 horsepower, so fantastic for any jobs. But a very clean, nice example. So, if you'd like anything further, please do get in touch. You can give us a call on 01942 231123. You can email us at sales@alphamotors.co.uk. But thank you very much for watching, and we look forward to your inquiry.